हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। टुडे आज हम लोग मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग फॉर क्लास 9th पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। दैट इज़ चैप्टर फर्स्ट। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैटर। मैटर क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज़ जो स्पेस ले और कुछ उसके पास मास हो उसे हम मैटर कहते हैं। एनीथिंग विच ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस एंड हैज़ मास इज कॉल्ड मैटर। सो आपके कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं लाइक एयर, वाटर। व्हाट आर दीज आर मैटर। मैटर कितने पार्ट्स में क्लासीफाई किए जा सकते हैं? मैटर्स 2 वेज में क्लासीफाई किए जा सकते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ फर्स्ट फिजिकल एंड सेकंड केमिकल। फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड chemical properties. In physical properties we have solid, liquid and gas, whereas in chemical properties we have elements, compounds and mixture. So everything which has mass is called matter. अब हमने प्रीवियस एक वीडियो में आप सबको लिए वाटर में अगर शुगर को डिज़ोल्व करते हैं तो क्या एंड में हमें मिलता है, वो हमने उस वीडियो में दिखाया है। तो प्लीज़ आप लोग उसको एक बार देखें। नाउ matter is made up of very small particles, and second is particles of matter are constantly moving. We can know it by, suppose we have taken some particles of matter. As we can see, there is space between the particles, so they are able to move from here to there or from here to there. And as the matter is made up of very minute particles, so they are called matter is made up of very small particles. Next is these matter particles also show diffusion. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is intermixing of the substances by themselves, and this process is called diffusion. जैसे कि हमने इसके पहले एग्जाम्पल में देखा था वाटर एंड शुगर में। इसमें अगर हम शुगर को वाटर में मिक्स कर दें और उसको थोड़े टाइम के लिए छोड़ दें स्टर करके, तो हम देखेंगे कि इंटरमिक्सिंग हो जाएगा सब शुगर के सॉल्यूशन का वाटर में। इसीलिए इसको कहा जाता है डिफ्यूज़न इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंटरमिक्सिंग ऑफ द सब्सटेंस बाय themselves. So coming to the characteristics of particle of matter. What are the characteristics of particle of matter? So first, particle of matter are very small, as we have studied in the above. Particles of matter have space between them. They have space between them. Taking the example of solid, suppose we have taken here a solid. So there is very large distance between each atom, but still there are some space between the atoms. As you are able to see, there are minute spaces between the atoms. This is the fact due to which we can dissolve one substance into another. Then next is particles of solids or any other substance, they attract each other. What does they do? Attract each other. Due to this attraction force, these solid particles are held together. They are held together with each other. They are held together with each other. Now we are going to study properties of solid, liquid and gases. Properties of solid, liquid and gases. First, solid. As we have seen that solid have very less space in between them, that means they have very less intermolecular distance, due to which they are very rigid and hard. As you can see, there is very less intermolecular space in between them. That's why they are very hard. Now next is liquid. If we talk about the liquid, they have little bit more space as compared to the solid. See, here is little bit more space as compared to the solids. And if we talk about the gases, they have very much space, see, due to which they have fluidity, and liquids also flow.